still you have internet, but your knowledge is limited. As I said, search result being censored, video being censored, common voice being censored, Facebook post being censored. If you say anything against government, you will be in jail. We all are using internet every day. We cannot think a single moment without internet, because if you are watching this video right now, because it is possible of internet. But in this video I am going to talk about the future of internet, how the internet is changing day by day, and what is its impact in our daily life, and in upcoming year, basically 2021, how the internet will change and it will affect our daily life. So in this video I am going to talk about top 10 factors, what is going to be changed and it will affect us in our daily life in the future of internet, or the recent coming years of internet. So without further delay, let's get started right after this short intro. Do you want to make a website for your business and e-commerce with free social media promotion offer? Then visit Obefunia now, link in description. Let's jump into the first factor, which is censorship. Yes, right now government, not only in India, all the government all over the world trying to censor the internet, because they have censored the television, they have made the television news channel to talk in their favor. So this has all been possible. All the other thing have been possible. News media, paper media, printed media, everything has been their capture. But they cannot capture till now the internet or the web series like Amazon, Netflix, and the independent journalist websites like Print, or and many sites is there, Live Mint. They're very independent and they do not require any permission from the government to press that news. So these things are going to be censored, as India passed the censorship recently. So they can censor the web series, they can say this, you have to do this, you do not have to do this. And the very bad thing is that your news media, like all the small news media channels, individual journalists, I can say, they have to take permission from government to print any news. This is very dangerous. In this way, the voice is being suppressed of the common man. So censorship is the first thing which is going to be affect us. You may say some website or some censorship content, we can use it or download it. I think that's the temporary solution, not the long-term solution. So in this video I am going to talk about only the problem or only the changes which will affect. In upcoming videos in this channel I will talk about this problem which is may arise in near future of internet, how you can bypass them or how you can temporarily solve the problems. So now next move to the next problem. Number 2 is the block sites. So in the block sites means government blocking many sites, ISP also blocking many sites without any reason or without proper reason or proper government order. Still they are saying this is the government order, but the government what is seeing the pirated content like movie, live TVs, the live sports, all the pirated things, or maybe the paid thing in free, that is called pirated. So these are going to be blocked day by day, very very strictly, because if you go back to the 2 or 3 years ago, the sites you are surfing there, the top popular sites are not accessible right away. You have to use VPN right now. So in the block site contains torrents, movie download, television download, pirated APK download, desktop softwares, basically crack. This all comes under this blocking, site blocking, and also adult content porn is there. So legal porn or 18+ porn is not, you can say, not illegal, but still government are blocking. X videos already blocked. So yeah, that's the number 2 thing. Number 3 thing is very dangerous, and you may not know this, but this is happening gradually, one day by day. This is Google search censorship. Google itself also censors some search results. How? That's not only adult content, but also the, as I said, pirated content, torrent, and any movie download site. If you search any latest movie in Google, you will get the review link of the top media websites, but you will not get actual download link from there. Because why? Because Google itself removes those pirated sites on basis of DMCA complaint. Basically the movie producers hire some team who makes the DMCA complaint to Google on behalf of the movie production, and as soon as Google reviews it, Google deletes from its search result. Google always cannot able to block those sites or websites. Suppose xyz.com/abc movie download. This is the total URL. If Google removes this from the Google search engine, you cannot easily search. If you know the website, the abc.com, then only you can go directly to abc.com and search that your desired movie. So that's why many pirated sites like this are moving to Telegram. They are basically sending a new movies update to Telegram links, and people click the Telegram links and land to their websites and download the movies. So that is one thing, you can bypass this temporarily. But yeah, Google is removing this kind of thing. You can also go for DuckDuckGo, which is DuckDuckGo does not remove this kind of things. Being very less removed, but Google is very active, they remove it. Also, according to the Google, YouTube is also Google product, and in YouTube also deleting or giving some community guidelines strike, or giving some 18 plus age restrictions, or giving some other reasons, or if your monetization enabled, saying that this video is less ads. Because why? This is pirated movie download, pirated software download. Even if you say anything related to hacking, or may not be hacking, the cyber security, also this kind of things getting either no ads or 18 plus. So if you any video or anything getting 18 plus, maximum chance that video will not appear in the search result easily. If you are not logged in, you cannot watch it. And also in YouTube, video results also come in Google also does not show if your video is 18 plus. All does not always show, because filter is always on, age restriction filter, so your video will not show. So your technical video will be treated as an adult video, so an adult video cannot be shown easily. So this is very much problem. So this was the search is also getting affected. Number 4 is increasing basically in India day by day. This is online scams. First the scams came about OTP, so saying something, scamming people and asking the OTP in anyhow, then doing some online transaction, offline transaction happening. Next them came the OLX scam. Before selling anything, the OLX, the UPI scam, basically sending the request link. If you are pressing your password, your money will be deducted from your account instead of getting money from the buyers. So yeah, that is OLX scam happened. Then next Paytm KYC scam, many app KYC scam is there, screen sharing is there, basically they're taking their debit card image from the app and doing Paytm scam. Basically Paytm virtual debit card data they can easily see using some remote sharing application. So easily this KYC scam also there. Some other related scam, basically online scam frauds in India increasing day by day because of the internet. Because internet right now, before education, internet have been reached to all the people of India thanks to Jio. So that's the side effect of internet, because unless and until if you are enough educated, because internet education is very rare as sex education in India. That's why the people of India, you can say 130 crore, and here it is the result of internet. Speed is also decreasing because of high internet uses, which is not needed. Unnecessary traffic, unnecessary bandwidth of internet right now happens in India. Because let me show you some example. If you do not have any work, what people will do? Open YouTube, open Facebook, watch some videos. This is unnecessary traffic, because people are wasting their time and wasting also internet bandwidth. So if in that place any people or any man or woman is working for their jobs, their speed will decrease. This is very ridiculous, you can say, because of everybody has internet, bandwidth is also misusing. Number 5, this is very recent case happening, and after that this concern again raised, because freedom of speech and democracy is a myth like privacy. So we consider freedom of speech. What happened to Whitehead Junior? All the world knows it. Whitehead Junior is a coding app, and they did some misadvertising, and then if anyone criticized via online, and basically YouTube, Google or LinkedIn post, in Twitter, they basically using some power, using some money, Whitehead Junior, basically Byju's is the parent company, deleting those videos, giving fake copyright strikes, etc, etc. So freedom of speech is being suppressed again and again by government, by corporate, and by big companies for the common people. So internet says previously freedom, internet is a freedom of speech is there, but right now this is not the exact thing. So yeah, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn post also getting deleted without any proper reason. Reddit post getting deleted because of Whitehead Jr. You have shared some criticism or some negative review, not negative, real review, you can say unbiased review. So yeah, that all happened, and we all know the Pradeep Punia and Dr. Malpani gets some lawsuits from the Whitehead Jr. and this case is going on. January is the next hearing date, so that is another part. But in that particular case, just shown us the reality of internet, because of common voice is being suppressed day by day. Next thing is that big companies are doing monopolies. Yes, YouTube is doing video monopolies. They are doing anything. They are saying we can do anything. Like recently in YouTube community forum shared one thing, that if your channel is low, if you have not monetization, but YouTube will give monetization for that particular video if YouTube wants. But as a result, they're also saying that particular case, if you have not enabled monetization, ad will come in your video, 100% revenue will go to YouTube or Google. The creator will get zero. Basically 55-45 share is there, but if you have not enabled this or 1000 subscribers is not there, still ad coming, but total revenue is being transferred to the YouTube account, or YouTube are getting profit from that. This is very bad. Next, if you say some Google doing, I said that Google are using their search engine and they're just filtering out basis of their client what they are doing, and they're filtering out the copyrighted things or DMCA case. Basically the software, anything you cannot get easily in Google right now. Next big company is a Facebook is also doing monopolies, and yeah, we all know Facebook data policy, how their data is leaked day by day. Someday it is being hacked, and WhatsApp is also being included there. And WhatsApp said that in February 2021 we are going to update some privacy policy terms and condition. Basically they are doing it to integrate some advertisement or anything background data collection this way. So you have to agree with that on February, otherwise your account will be deleted. So either accept the terms condition or leave WhatsApp. That's their attitude right now. So this is very concerning. And another big company is Amazon. How can I leave them? This is the shopping company, shopping app, but there is some problem. They are doing collecting money, they're increasing some fees there for the sellers, and also they are taking money, increasing fees day by day for the pay-per-click ads. So yeah, monopoly is, somebody says monopoly is good for the product, but yeah, for the monopoly for the consumers is not good. Number 7 is data leak, data privacy, and how Facebook is helping, like Cambridge Analytica. You all know how it helps in US elections, and right now the Indian government is getting help from there. So some month ago you have exposed that in some reports shows that Facebook also is helping Indian government, because they are not deleting if after hate speech of some political leader, but if he belongs to the government, then his post or page in Facebook will not be getting deleted. But if you do anything slightly mistake or opposition, then it goes the violation and page getting deleted. So that's unbiased and tends to help the government, this kind of thing happening. Another thing is the government also doing some data, how they are collecting, because recently Aragya Setu app, basically designed by the government, but sometimes government says we do not know who developed the app, and again the Prime Minister is promoting that app. So this all massacre is happening. This is very dangerous, I can say, not only for democracy, not only for voice, but also for your privacy, because Facebook also always tracks, and this Aragya Setu apps claims and said already that we will take your location in every 15 minutes. And this app basically does nothing, just option is there, yes no, and it will say you are safe or not. So this app doing nothing but collecting your data, and what they are doing with your data nobody knows. Number 8, which is around, you can say, last 5 years we all familiar with it, that is WhatsApp University and fake news. You cannot deny it. And every morning you will get some news and you will say, oh, that is going to be true. Basically this all depends upon some religious and some hate speech, and this way the fake news getting spread day by day and some hatred is there. So WhatsApp University and fake news is again increasing day by day, but in Telegram there is very much less fake news is there. I don't know why, because Telegram you can hide yourself, your mobile number also you can hide. There is privacy of use there, but still there is not at all significant fake news. But in WhatsApp your mobile number is visible to everyone, still there is fake news. So that is another concerning thing. Next, number 9 is OTT platform app increasing their price, and it is getting very bad because in very near future you are not going to get anything for free. Because right now if you want to see some sports or etc, recently during Indian Premier League, Hotstar crossed its all limits because there is some free apps which is showing the Hotstar links for the IPL, and Hotstar every day trying to delete those apps, gets that app banned or securing their links. So no OTT company is going to offer you anything for free. They are just doing their business and they're basically getting more profited. In previous the normal television or satellite television, the money they have got, but here they're getting more and more money. So yeah, OTT platform increasing their price, and some OTT app box, basically GeoTV box, also blocked the installation of side loading APKs. They have blocked that. You cannot not install anything. There is not Play Store is there, so you cannot install everything. Only what Jio will provide you can watch. So yeah, that is very concerning thing, that you are paying for the box and you are not going to use it as you want. So yeah, that's the problem. And some apps like fantasy sports is also increasing, so this is very bad, gambling apps. But these gambling apps, Dream 11, makes so much money that they created another OTT platform which is basically depends on sports. This is Fancode. Fancode right now is broadcasting the New Zealand Cricket Board all the matches in India. So yeah, an app which does gambling are starting their another startup which is basically sports broadcasting. So yeah, that's the case. And also Amazon Prime is also entering in the cricket streaming field. From next 2021 they will broadcast the New Zealand cricket series live in India or all over the world, I don't know, but yeah, Amazon Prime will broadcast it. So you all know Amazon Prime and Netflix are most secured platform in the world of in the terms of OTT platform. So you cannot decrypt or you cannot bypass their security. The last thing is that this is the side effect of internet. You cannot deny it. This is, we are going to be internet addicted day by day, because when we don't work, we are right now don't do anything, don't talk to any other. What we do? Take our mobile and swipe up. They do not have work. Yeah, you can surf your mobile for anything, any work, email, message, whatever can, but no. You are just swiping up to pass your time. That is affecting your eye. You are getting addicted, and the blue ray light from mobile, if you are using more and more time, it will also getting affected. And we are also getting self-centered. So this is another human value, we can say, decreasing from ourselves. And the result, stress is coming out. So some people getting stressed or obsessed for not getting enough like in their post. Still you have internet, but your knowledge is limited. As I said, search result being censored, video being censored, common voice being censored, Facebook post being censored. If you say anything against government, you will be in jail. So everything is just going to be a controlled way, very organized way, that very celebratic way, like this is your syllabus, this is your right, only you have to do this. So I don't know how the world is going and what will be in future, but right now what said, the 10 points is definitely gonna be affect our daily life, good or bad, time will tell us. So what your thought on the video, what I've shared with you, what your opinion, maybe positive, maybe negative, share in the comment box. That I really appreciate. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. And the next video I'm going to talk about how can temporarily bypass those problems what I discussed in video, how new technologies are coming in near future that will help to solve this problem or not. That video is coming very soon. Till then, goodbye, stay subscribed, bye.